Hello everyone, welcome back to another session of Analysis with Emmanuel, and today we are going to be doing something very different from our usual data analysis content. So I'm going to be putting you through a step-by-step process on how to create a portfolio that would stand you out during job application. So today we are going to be stepping away from dashboards and spreadsheets, because today we are going to be focusing on you and how you present yourself to the world. Whether you're a web developer, a video editor, a data analyst, a virtual assistant, or in any other field, one thing is true: a strong portfolio can set you apart from hundreds of job applicants. So I've been receiving a lot of requests like tutorial. Some even asked for my portfolio template, and people were even ready to pay for it. But I declined all of them because I knew I was going to be putting this video out there for free. So without wasting much of our time, I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to create a portfolio that would stand you out during job application. But before I do that, I really want to clear this air. A GitHub is not a portfolio. I repeat, a GitHub is not a portfolio. Most of the time, it's the reason why some of you wonder why you're never getting called back or you've never gotten an interview is because you're sending a GitHub as a portfolio. You don't use GitHub as a portfolio. A GitHub is never a professional portfolio. A GitHub was never initially designed to be a portfolio. So now we are going to be creating one professional portfolio. So let's get into it. So when you get the link, the template link from the description of this video, you open the template. This is what you're going to see next. Then you view the template, because this is the template already made. So what you're just going to do is you're just going to make edit. So this is a tutorial where you don't even have to use coding to create this website, because Canva has given us a room to create a website just by editing templates. So this template was personally made by me. No thanks, because I want to use the website. So this template was personally made by me. I'm going to be putting you through the step-by-step process on how to actually make edit. So what you're going to do is all these places, you put your name, you fill in your name. Here, you can actually delete image. Delete the image. Put your professional headshot. Fill in it here. So when you come here, talk about yourself. This is about me. So here also, you delete the image. Fill in maybe if you have two headshots you took, you can put in. When you go to tools, if you are not a data analyst, you might want to change this tool. And if you have not reached the level of these skills tools, so make sure you put what you can actually work with, because I can work with Apache and SAS and R. All of these tools I can actually work with, all of these data analysis tools. So make sure you fill in with what you can actually work with. Don't try to put out what you cannot work with. So your technical skills, fill it in what you have to offer, the skills you offer. Then here also, all these things, you can delete the image, put in your projects. I'm sure most of you would have worked on some project. I don't know how video editors or web developers do your project. Could you feel like this is not the same pattern? This is not how you guys are supposed to be able to put your project out there. Just make the edit, make it suitable for you, make it whatever thing you'll be sending to your recruiter, you should be able to send it to yourself and be very confident that, okay, yes, I think this is just good enough. I'm impressed. Yourself, you should be impressed before you even send it out there. Because how you see it is exactly the same way other people would actually see it. Or even if not exactly, probably similar. I don't know whether you get what I'm saying. So this is just it. So once you're done, in these places where we have view pages, so I don't know, I'm going to teach you exactly how to make this a link. This is supposed to be a link that will redirect you to the Power BI or Excel, the Excel main page for the dashboard. So if you have like where you actually kept the whole, where you want them to access the main project, this is where you're going to just put it. So you just come here, link. So you put in the HTTPS link here, wherever you want it to do. So that's just it. So once you click this place, or even in the button too, you can put it as the button. Yeah, I'm sure you can put it as the button. So it's even better you put it as the button, because that's why the button is there. So use the button instead of using the text. You get, so put it there, put the link to all your projects. These are the projects I've worked with. And there is a reason why I didn't put the projects. I didn't put my projects here for sharing it out for personal reasons. Or make sure you do that, because you'll be sending it to recruiters to check it out. So now what you need to know is don't put all your projects that you've done this whole life. Don't put all your projects in your portfolio. Pick the best, because the truth is, this is not the only project I've worked on. These 4 projects. So pick the ones you feel like, yeah, I might want to show off, or I feel comfortable showing it out there. Then when you are making this, make it very little. Don't make it too much. Make it something that somebody can just glance through and understand clearly. Even if you read them, even if they are reading it, it shouldn't be boring enough. And this should be, I'm trying to put you through so you know what you're doing with this thing, so you don't make mistake. This text should just talk about whatever is here, whatever is in this two frame, whatever project you put. So this your text should be talking about it. So I think, yeah, that's just it. So once you're done, you make a preview. This is how it's going to look like. Then voila, you're done. You can also check the mobile preview. Because being seen with the mobile phone, this is how it's probably going to also look like. So once you're done, you would want to publish the website. I'm just putting you through the steps. So you come here to setting, make on this search engine visibility. You get it. So probably if somebody wants to just search for it, so it won't be that the only way they can access your portfolio is just by using the link. You get. So yeah, we're good. Then you click continue to publish. Yeah, I'm not going to be publishing this because this is very, 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 very incomplete. So voila, you're done with your portfolio. So now that you follow each and every step of this video tutorial, you've been able to build your dream and professional portfolio that would stand you out during job applications. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Turn on your notification for videos like this, because you won't want to miss helpful video tips like this. And trust me, I deliver them weekly and weekly. Didn't you like this video? Make sure to subscribe. Click the button below, and see you later. Bye.